Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. We are doing the revision of the first chapter, that is food, our basic need, right? And in the previous class, we discussed about preservation of food. Yes? What is it? Preservation of food is a method used to keep food items edible for a longer time. And there are many ways of food preservation: refrigeration, pickling, drying, canning and bottling. These ways were discussed in our previous class, right? Today we are moving to the next topic, that is rest and exercise. Okay, so let's start the class. Rest and exercise are necessary for good health. Yes, we should sleep for 6 to 8 hours in a day. And exercise also helps us to stay healthy. Exercise makes our muscles strong. And playing outdoor games like cricket, badminton, football, etc. makes our body fit. So, to stay fit and healthy, we need to do exercise and we need to take rest also, right? So, with this, we have finished the revision of the chapter. Now, let us revise the chapter. Okay? So, first of all, we will discuss the main points. Okay, all living things need food to grow and live, right? Food gives energy to living beings, right, to work and play. And food also makes us strong and protects from diseases, right? Then after, we got the term nutrients, right? Okay. The food that we eat contains substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy, right? These substances are called nutrients. And the nutrients present in our food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, right? And food that contains carbohydrates and fats is called energy giving food. And food items containing proteins are called bodybuilding foods, right? And food items containing vitamins and minerals are called protective food, right? And some examples of minerals are like what? Calcium, iodine, sodium, iron, right? Then after, we got the topic water and roughage, right? Roughage is important for the proper functioning of our digestive system, right? Okay, then after, we got balanced diet, right? And the next topic, it is cooking food, right? Food can be cooked by steaming, frying, boiling, baking and roasting. And next we got preservation of food. Food items can be preserved by refrigeration, pickling, drying, canning and bottling. And the last topic, that is rest and exercise, right? Which we discussed today, and it is necessary for us to stay healthy. Now let us memorize some important terms. Okay. The first point is substances present in food that help our body to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients. The nutrients present in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Water is essential for our body to stay healthy and function properly. Then fourth point is roughage is the fiber present in our food It cannot be digested by our body but helps to remove undigested food from our body. Then the next point it is a diet that has all the nutrients in right amounts is called a balanced diet. Okay. Then moving to the next point, all the food we eat can be divided into 3 food groups, and they are energy giving foods, which include carbohydrates and fats also. Next, bodybuilding foods, which includes proteins. And the next one, that is protective foods, which includes vitamins and minerals. Okay. And then the next point it is food is cooked to make it soft, easy to digest and tasty. Cooking kills the germs present in food. Then the next point it is preservation of food is a method used to keep food items edible for a longer time. Refrigeration, pickling, drying, canning and bottling are ways of food preservation. And the last point it is rest and exercise are necessary for a good health. So today we have finished the explanation of the chapter number 1 and we revised the chapter also, right? And in the next class we will discuss the questions from the exercise given in the book, and the question numbers are A and B. Okay, so question A and B from the exercise part we will discuss in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.